first quarter, we're going to launch yung aming external digitalization is the mobile application or the PhilPost mobile application. So we're targeting to launch this, pilot test this first quarter of next year. In this mobile application, our organization, our management can now track kung nasaan na po yung mga parcels or yung mga sulat. And at the same time, the public can also track their mails or their parcels via this mobile app. Ito pong mobile app na to, hindi lang po sa mga cities, and this can also reach yung mga far-flung areas natin. Alam nyo po ngayon, halos karamihan meron ng cellphone.
Yes.
So, ngayon, even yung mga kababayan po natin sa baryo can access this mobile application. They can use it for tracking. And then eventually po, kung magbabayad sila, pwedeng gamitin na rin po itong mobile application.
Yes.
So, yun po yung mga panguna naming hakbang towards digitalization po.